Hey people, how are you doing today? So today we will unbox this cruise control. We will go ahead and unbox this cruise control which I have received from Amazon. I purchased it for 899 rupees. Okay, see. I got it for 899 rupees. This is what you get inside the box. Okay, nothing else. A piece of rubber. It's just a rubber. Okay, it's just a rubber. And then aluminum. This was recommended by one of my friend, so let's go ahead and see how it works. Okay, so this is what you get inside the box. It is pure metal, and you have got some spring here, and you see this mechanism. It looks not that great. Let's see how it performs. This is just a rubber. Okay, so this is what you get inside the box. It's 899 rupees. Let's see how it performs. Okay guys, actually we'll try to install this and see how it performs. Okay, this is a cruise control. We are going to install it, but fortunately we will not be able to install this sleeve, rubber sleeve. Since I have this, so I have to remove all these things. So let's first try to use this without that rubber sleeve and see how it works. Okay, so I think this is how we need to install it. I just have to unscrew this. Okay, done. And then have to tighten it. I'll keep it at the corner, and then I'll tighten it. So I think this is how it holds. I don't know how it will perform, because okay, so this is how I have installed. Okay, so this is how I have installed. Let's start to Banjara Hills. We are going to Big Wing Honda, which is in Banjara Hills. 28 minutes, that is. But in the meanwhile, we'll also check the cruise control. Okay, this is a very small road, so we'll not be able to check it here. So we'll go to this main road. It's one big stretch, so we will be able to easily check what it is. So now I have kept in 60. Keeping it like that, that's it. Let's see how long it holds. Oh my god, it is in 3rd gear. I'll come to 5th gear. Now I'll go to 60. Okay. Oh my god, this is all new experience. I'm in 5th gear and it is holding. It is, my bike is actually dragging in the right side because I don't know what is wrong. Bike is actually dragging in the right side. See, right side pulling is still there. Okay, so let's keep it. Let's see. It's taking me to the right side. My god, totally insane. I think this will not work out here. We can test it on the highway. That is what I think. Only on a highway it's easy to test, because like here every second we have a biker or auto coming in. Maybe we will test now. I think the road is completely clean, so we will test now. Okay, 60, go. Hey, actually what I see is it is not holding 60. See, it is dropping. I think we should use that rubber. Only then it will stay strong, I think. Otherwise, because like it is. Oh my god, who is this guy? Oh my god, that is a near miss, guys. Otherwise definitely I would have ran over him. Oh my god, it is a near miss. Who is that guy? Actually I think he's totally drunk and he walks in center of the road. It's okay, let's. Okay guys, I have tested this cruise control for around 28 minutes drive on a outer ring road, and I would say that it did not suit me well, or this was not holding up the speed. So I feel that this does not work for me, especially it is not working for me, and it might work for you. Kindly go ahead and test it, and if you are okay, go ahead and use it. For now, I feel that this is not good for me, so I'm going to return this unit. And moreover is like controlling the speed is not, really a big mess, because it was not staying in place. So I got to tighten that cruise control, and once I tightened, it is staying strong, very strong. And all of a sudden, if something comes in between, and reducing the speed is going to be a big task, so I'm not going to take risk, and I am not going to recommend it for you. But in case if you wanted to try, since it is available on online shop, you can go ahead and try it, and if you like it, you can use it. That is what my suggestion would be, and I'm not satisfied with this, so I'm going to return this unit. Okay, thank you guys, thank you so much for watching this video, and hope this video was informative and helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Please like, subscribe and share.